Wachula yani?
Boa.
Boa?
Dzalanyama.
Dzalanyama? What fresh? Oh.
Ine?
Eggplant pacha?
Mushroom.
No, mushroom. What different animals like the Mozambique cobra. This next is the Mozambique cobra. We have got puff adder. We have got also mamba. And also we have got also green mamba. So when you are walking in the forest, make sure you will be a guide and the guide will guide you. Kwanza kwa mene sana Bwire. Wao uzauliani?
Guys, you have missed it.
Yes.
You can see the nature, the view, everything is beautiful and amazing. And the most important thing, today I've been engaged with so many people, very important people. Next time, come.
Ba, hiking ni bwana sasa.
Wenda po. Next time. Ni bwana somawas.
I don't know about. Hey guys, here hiking ni lipo. But guys, next time mzaji wene. Kasi Dzalanyama ndio before still be hapo baada ya Dzalanyama unafika waterfall. Aha, azira. Azimanga hai. Aha, that's it. Oh yes, that's how we do it, baby. Yeah. Ciao, ciao. Ziriba. Beautiful. Yeah. Let's go. Bro, I figure no water phone. Tima worry ba. Eh, mata. Des TV, I say. Des TV with Uncle Rugby. I say, no, Ubakenga. Yeah? Next time, what's up with us? Nice. How was the hike, bro?
Awesome. Wonderful.
Nice one. So, my guy, today I game already do say. You. Yeah, awowe banga. Ema guys mkozona uri alese binda manja. Akumuda wambi. Mr. Nyani. Hayi inalipani. Kama kuja deli kuja bali. Kama hayi deli. Yeah, muda baba kwenda mpiri. Ndabira usanya malochi. Aba tujogera mu. Swimming pool. Oh, hi. Dzalanyama waterfall. Come on, go see. You see the big shots. You see the videos. Yeah, hello my guys. So, about to yoga ku Dzalanyama waterfall. Tuva ku Dzalanyama forest lodge. Yeah, my guys nanjwa wambili. Tasambila, you know, tajampunga. Bungo yani wachase.
So, about 10 minutes. Then it is how was the hike?
It was fun.
Uh-huh.
I liked it. It was really nice. I enjoyed it.
Very short.
I wasn't running away from something.
Nice.
I was enjoying it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it was fun.
Perfect.
I'm Victor Dankins. I took part in the current hike. One and very important thing that I can say is this hike was a blast, one of the best. Yeah, and I would like to commend Uncle Rugby for organizing such a wonderful hike. Can you please do that again next time? And I'm asking those guys that did not make it, next time be part of this hike. It's the best.
Hi guys, it's Robert Diva here. I just want to say that the hiking was really good, amazing, with good people, good view. Everything was just fantastic. We are coming back here again.
Make sure you join us, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Facebook. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Next time. 3, 2, 1, say Mandase! Mandase! Okay, so our sponsor is Antonella Gabriel. Name one of Antonella, okay? Antonella! Okay, that's how we do it, baby! Yeah! Okay! Antonella Cabero, yeah, thanks for sponsoring us, baby.